Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend. Today, this is the Friday freebie. Love it. It's probably one of my favorite I have designed so far this year, and is a background with all blue and turquoise notes. So the page has been a collage. I got played with birds and flowers. Now the kit that I have used to create this sort of floral embellishment is my popular, very popular at this time of the year, bright bouquet. I think the feedback I've got from this kit is phenomenal. I know you guys tend to buy the this kit during spring summer months because it's very floral, very summery, and I can see why you like as much as I do. It's a kit forms of 10 pages and is a collection of backgrounds, ephemera, tags, etc. So the main feature of this kit are these peonies, and it's all bright, hence why it's called Bright Bouquet. Just gonna give you a quick flip through. There's a page, like 2.5 pages you can use for your journal. So it's very bright, very pinky, very floral, some balloons and tags and floral embellishment, couple of envelopes. I love this. When you do this up, it's a really nice scallop envelope, so it looks really nice. 4 different backgrounds, so if you do like cards or vintage cards, that's the page for you. And at the full-on background, tags. Oh, these are so bright. I love these with the 2 corners. So now if you fold this in half, this can be a really nice journal cover, because that will be the front and that will be the back. Or you can either fussy cut all the flowers as well. Another background, and I love the contrast with this lovely teal and pink. And I just put some pink butterflies just because. And then last page is 2 large tags and 3 butterflies embellishment that you can just cut and layer them. So that's the Bright Bouquet. If you wish to purchase this, it's linked in the info box below. But this is the freebie. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, if you like all my freebies, if you like the Freebie Friday freebie appointment that we have every week on my channel, please consider giving a very big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and also it supports me create freebies for you guys and content on my videos too. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah.